The internet can be a messy place on mobile phones. Ads, pop-ups, non-mobile friendly web design. Trying to read an article from your favorite content creator can sometimes be a chore. Where does this article start and the advertisement end? Fortunately, there's a little trick our technicians like to recommend called Reader View. In your search bar, you might see a pair of A's. This means that there is a reader view available for the page you are on. Reader View is just a stripped down version of the article, just text and images. You can also customize font size, style, and even the background color to suit your preference. To return to the normal article, just tap the Reader View icon once more. And there you have it, Reader View. For more videos on mobile phone repairs, tips, and tricks, subscribe. Thanks for watching.